Annyeong! I received a shipment of BTS merch and it's always a good day when there's this shade of green on the box because it means Weverse Shop Day. I'm excited about all the items inside, so let's get started with opening this box. In case you're wondering why there's so much tape around, it's because I use a parcel forwarding company that helps consolidate all the items where I can save a lot on shipping. So what you see here isn't how Weverse Shop originally packs their order. If you're interested to find out more about the parcel forwarding service I use, I'll leave a link in my description below. Looks like we've got a box in a box for added protection, which is really great service. Let's hope all the items received are in mint condition. I think I know the first item that is sitting right on top in this box. So this particular order did not come from Weverse Shop but from a website in the US. It's the My Universe EPIPHANE Edition single CD. This was the second release of the same original single, but in different packaging and artwork. This EPIPHANE edition comes in a mini LP sleeve with the EPIPHANE planet as the front cover art and the key to the codes on the back. Let me go get the original single for comparison. So this one here was the first release, housed in a digipack. The cover art features the alien codes and opens up to the handwritten lyrics by COLDPLAY and BTS members. I really love this nice touch and I'm glad they included this with the singles packaging, as you can also purchase a digital version of the handwritten lyrics from the COLDPLAY store. On this side, you see a message written in alien code and it basically reads My Universe, followed by the chorus that starts with You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. Then on the back, it also has the alien codes, no different from the EPIPHANE edition. The CD for the original single has the beautiful EPIPHANE planet, so the artwork on both versions are basically flipped. This mini LP sleeve sticker removes really easily, leaving no marks, which is perfect. The CD of the EPIPHANE edition has the alien code artwork. If you're wondering what they decode to, they are alphabets that spell out COLDPLAY, BTS, My Universe. Both CD singles are made in Germany and are such collector's items. I'm just over the moon to have them in my hands, so to recap, EPIPHANE edition on your left and original release on your right. Next in my box is the Map of the Soul 1 Blu-ray edition. I'm just glad I got this before it completely sold out, so I'll set this aside for now and unbox this separately. The first In the Soup Season 2 merch out of the box are these cushion covers. Let's see what's under that. Yes. This is the poster set of 7 Faces, the art series by James Jean for Hype Inside Museum. Oh my goodness, I've been looking forward to having this on my wall, so I'll definitely do a separate unboxing video for this. Stay tuned! And I think everything else in this box is, In the Soup merch. So yes, let's continue with unboxing them all. Starting with the cushion covers. There are 2 designs and I bought 2 of each. This one here is the pattern print, and I've had a few people tell me they think this design reminds them of Marimekko. I have to agree, it's got a very Scandinavian feel to it, which I'm instantly drawn to. This pattern print is an expression of trees and leaves found across Korea. And this print features Soupy playing the guitar. Soupy is all about loving and caring for nature. With Soupy, Hype have said that anyone who needs a break can take a breather anywhere, anytime, in nature and in your daily routine. I'm sure you'll agree that watching the episodes weekly have been such a healing and welcoming break from our daily routines. With In the Soop bringing a relaxed and calming experience for BTS and ARMY, it was a no-brainer for me to choose Home Living from this merch collection. I absolutely love this series, both seasons 1 and 2 so far, and while season 1's design was inspired by activities and games, season 2's emphasis is on nature and its surroundings with lots of green incorporated in the theme, perfect for my space. The fabric for the covers is thick polyester, and let's check if the zip opens and closes smoothly. I like when cushion cover zips are concealed and finished this way. The overall quality of this looks good, and I can easily unzip this with one hand. You can always tell a good zipper when you don't have to pull with much effort. It's good to note that Soupy isn't exclusive to BTS, as it's a general mascot for In the Soop this year that also includes 17's In the Soop. But with 17, they have more of a floral print going on with different colorways, whereas the one for BTS features leafy illustrations in these colors. The cushion cover measures 45 by 45 centimeters, and hand washing is recommended to best keep the print in great condition over time. Here I've got 2 of my down cushion inserts that should fit into the covers perfectly. I'm not sure if this might be the final installment of BTS in the Soop as travel resumes to normal in the next couple of years. So they might reintroduce Bon Voyage, and I just wanted to have a few pieces that I could remember this wonderful series by, and what better than cushions for the home. Next up, to supplement the cushions, of course I had to get the graphic blanket. If you're anything like me, I love having blankets and throws to keep cozy and warm. Even throughout summer, I do love a lighter fabric to drape over when watching TV or just chilling on the couch. I can already feel how soft this fabric is. This blanket is made of microfiber, and you can see the black guitar Yoongi plays just up there. The concept behind this illustration is little stories found in the woods, and that itself gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling inside. The underside of this blanket is in peach color, which I thought is a nice touch to, spoiler alert, Jin and Jungkook's chat about Princess Peach. If you haven't seen that episode, go watch and see what other names JK comes up with. Here's the care label, and here's how it looks like with the cushions. The microfiber does give a slight velvety sheen to this blanket that makes for a luxurious finish. This here will be my go-to for a nap or just to take a break away from the daily routine. Alright, on to fashion. So by now we know about that purple hoodie that sold out at merch launch thanks to the season preview photo of Jin wearing it. I personally was drawn to this grey number instead because of the understated soupy design and minimalistic zigzag lines. I feel like this is something I could match easily with other pieces in my wardrobe and will wear for many years to come. Here we have a little soupy patch sewn on securely. The fabric on the underside isn't as fleecy as the In the Soop Season 1 sweatshirt I got, so it's more of a regular cotton finish. I'll leave a link in my description to my video trying on the In the Soop Season 1 sweatshirt if you'd like to check that out. I got this in size S, which isn't always available in many of the other sweatshirt releases for BTS. It'll be interesting to see how this compares to the M size of the other designs, but just by looks, it kinda appears similar in size. So let's try it on to be sure. I'm 5 feet 2 and the length sits around where my other In the Soop Season 1 sweatshirt does, around my hip area. In terms of fit, it definitely feels the same as the medium, which is generally the smallest size available. So if you're usually a large in other BTS sweatshirts, you could consider possibly sizing down for this collection, but definitely still check the sizing chart for absolute certainty. I like this little In the Soop detail here. It doesn't have BTS printed anywhere, so it's one of those designs that you'll know if you know. I've saved a special piece for the last, and that is the earrings. I really jumped on this one because BTS jewellery is a growing collection for me, plus this design was a must-have and you'll see why. It comes in this beautiful gift box and I love little details like the green foiling of the In the Soop text here. It's so special and would make such a lovely gift for a BTS fan. Pulling out this little drawer to reveal ta-da! A mismatched tree and leaf design. So beautiful. I must say it looked smaller than expected after seeing some videos from the pop-up store, and I actually do prefer this size. I think it's perfect. Plus the yellow isn't too bright or contrasting from the green of the tree. I'm not sure if it's showing clearly on screen, but there's slight discoloration on the outline of the earring, and that's just oxidization, which is a natural occurrence in sterling silver 925. This can easily be wiped off with a silver polishing cloth, so don't be alarmed if you received yours looking the same. It's got a butterfly back to secure, and I'm just gonna grab my polishing cloth and give it a quick clean before trying it on. And here's how it looks. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I hope you all enjoyed today's unboxing, and if you did, feel free to subscribe for more or say hello in the comments below. Until next time, take care everyone. Annyeong!